ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಸಮೀಪದ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ 2025-26ನೇ ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ಸಾಲಿನ ಬಿಇ ತರಗತಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಕಲಾಂ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇಂಡಸ್ಕೋ ಎಐನ ಸಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಇಒ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ರಾವ್ ಭೀಮವರಂ ಅವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಜೀವನ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ದಿನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಾಧಿಸುವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ರೂಪುಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದರು.
And I was wondering, what will be, the future for me. I'm pretty sure all of you are also having some of the other thoughts about what the future looks like. So I think I would like to take this opportunity with the kind of 10-minute slot that I have right now to talk about a few things about this particular point of time in the world and in the place where we are. You're all very familiar about the current geopolitical situation. I don't have to explain, this is all over the news. You know what's happening world over. You know what's happening, in India. You know where we are. And of all the things, I must say, as a generation, this particular generation, all of you sitting out here, as a generation, are in a very exciting time in an exciting place. Trust me, this is really, really very, very important for all of us to know that.
ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಯೋ ಡಿಸೋಸಾ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, 4 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿತ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿತು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನುರಿತ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ ವೃಂದವನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
In all the life we undergo a formation, a transformation from what we are. You see, we have Mr. Kalyan Ram with us today, and he is into Industry 4.0, and he knows a lot about assembly lines and automation and all that. And if you see these assembly lines, you have these machines being created, and all the assembly line, the components come together and they are put together, and over a period of time, at some price, the final machine is created. Then the software is uploaded in that. In most of the machines today, automatic machines, there is some form of software or the other. And then finally somebody switches on the power and everything is tested, and then it goes out as a product. You might have heard that word product even in a different context. They say, this person is a product of this college or that college. You yourself have finished your 12th standard and come here, so you are a product of some college or the other, I believe.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ಫ್ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಡಿಸೋಸಾ ಅವರು ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Well, even in the TUC life, the life was there different. You are here, different world, challenging world. The motto of the college is service and excellence. This is a beautiful green campus you must have seen. Some of you have seen already. You will see again. Beautiful green campus. We have got good infrastructure, wonderful teachers here. And it's up to you to become great people. Dr. Yudis told about how you have to be pliable, allow yourself to be molded. There are people, there's a surrounding here, there's a college here, but you have to give yourself. Dr. Kalyan Ram, the chief guest, gave a wonderful analysis of the whole world in short. The growth, how we were, and how the world is now, and how you have to be, and you are there. Now with the new scenario. And the word is said, ultimately, the discipline. I'm talking about more or less on that line, discipline and values.
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಕೆನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ತಾ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಪ್ರಥಮ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಯೋಜಕಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ ವಂದಿಸಿದರು. ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಕಾವೂರು, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.